Welcome to MetaMask versus Helium wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description. In this video, we'll compare the features, usability, and target audiences of these two wallets to help you decide which one aligns with your crypto goals. MetaMask is a widely used hot wallet tailored for the Ethereum ecosystem and other EVM-compatible blockchains. It's ideal for users engaging in DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized applications. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, MetaMask provides seamless integration with dApps and supports custom tokens, making it a versatile choice for active traders and Ethereum enthusiasts. Its built-in token swap feature adds convenience for quick trades. However, as a software wallet, its security is reliant on user vigilance, including safe handling of private keys and seed phrases. Helium wallet, on the other hand, is specifically designed for the Helium network and its native token, HNT. This wallet caters to individuals involved in Helium's decentralized wireless network, whether through staking, managing hotspots, or earning HNT rewards. Available as a mobile app, Helium Wallet offers a simple and intuitive interface for managing HNT tokens, transferring funds, and interacting with Helium's ecosystem. It's a niche wallet, focusing solely on Helium-related activities, and doesn't support other cryptocurrencies or networks. Choosing between MetaMask and Helium Wallet depends on your crypto priorities. If you're deeply involved in the Ethereum blockchain, exploring DeFi opportunities, or managing diverse ERC20 tokens, MetaMask is a powerful and flexible option. Conversely, if you're a participant in the Helium network, running hotspots, or earning HNT, the Helium wallet is purpose-built for your needs. In summary, both wallets serve different purposes. MetaMask is ideal for multi-chain activity, while Helium Wallet is tailored to the Helium network. Check out the links in the description for more details, and share in the comments which wallet works best for you.